Best NAS apps and tools you should be using in 2025. In 2025, Network Attached Storage, NAS, has evolved beyond just file storage. Modern NAS devices now support a wide range of applications and tools that enhance productivity, security, media management, and remote access. Whether you're using Synology, QNAP, Asustor, or another leading brand, there are essential NAS apps you should be taking full advantage of this year. One of the top categories includes backup and synchronization tools. Apps like Hyper Backup, Active Backup for Business Synology, and Hybrid Backup Sync QNAP offer advanced data protection by allowing automatic, incremental, and version backups to various destinations, including cloud services. For security and monitoring, apps such as Surveillance Station Synology or QVR Pro QNAP turn your NAS into a powerful video surveillance hub. Other tools like Security Advisor and Firewall Configurators help detect vulnerabilities and ensure data safety. In terms of media management, tools like Plex Media Server, Video Station, and Audio Station are widely used for seamless video streaming and organizing large libraries. These apps are perfect for content creators and home users who need an efficient entertainment center. For business users, productivity-enhancing apps such as Docker, Virtualization Station, and Mail Plus Server allow you to run virtual machines, host email servers, and deploy containerized apps directly from your NAS. Finally, for remote and mobile access, apps like DS File, Kfile, Synology Drive, and MyQNAP Cloud make it easy to access, share, and manage your data securely from anywhere. These NAS apps and tools transform your storage system into a multifunctional powerhouse in 2025. Whether you're a home user, creative professional, or business owner, choosing the right apps can elevate your NAS experience to the next level.